Hi viewers. So today I'm gonna make a very special sweet dish which is a rice pudding and we call it Firni. It's very easy to make. So let's get started. I'm taking half cup of rice and I will wash the rice now. You can soak the rice for half an hour before cooking, so it will help the rice cook faster. I'm taking about 1.5 cup of water to cook the rice here. I'm gonna cook the rice in medium heat. So the rice is almost cooked and it still has a bit of water left. And at this point, I'm gonna add the milk. I'm taking condensed milk, evaporated milk, and double cream. I'll give the quantity in the description box below. I don't have any can opener, so I'm using my knife to open the can. So I'm adding my evaporated milk first. Now I'm adding double cream. If you are in Bangladesh and you don't get this in the market, you can use Dano or Nestle cream instead. Now I'm gonna add some condensed milk. I'm gonna give it a good stir. Let me check if the sweetness is okay. I think I'll have to add a bit more condensed milk. Now I'm gonna add this mixture to my rice. I'm gonna add some salt. Now I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit and I'm gonna keep stirring it till it's thickened. I'm adding some cinnamon. You have to keep stirring it, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. You can see that it has already started to thicken up, so I think it's almost done, so I can turn off the heat now. I'm gonna transfer it to this serving dish. I don't have any other big bowl here, so I'm using the same bowl I used for mixing my milk. I have some chopped almond here for garnish. This is one of my favorite sweet dish and I just love having it. I'll have to let it cool for some time and then it will be ready to eat. So this is how it looks. Hope you enjoy this video. See you next time. Bye.